just crazy.
It's been thousands of years, you know, so long. Many experiments to show so much that the Earth is a globe moving through space. Let's go around Blue Planet, this wonderful place, so great. But some people just don't buy it. But why? Try their hardest to deny it. They throw around words they don't understand. Say what? And treat all the evidence like a scam. So wrong. But the Earth is a globe, as we already know. So stop all the lies and idiotic cries. Your logic all fails, so stop spinning tales. It's never been flat, even children see that. None of them have science degrees. No school, they just say whatever they please. All talk, and they don't have proof to back up their claims. Just not to spread misinformation is their aim. That's sad. They think NASA just made up space. Not true. To keep the people in their place. Control. And according to the flat earth criers, so loud, all scientists and teachers are liars. They're not. But the Earth is a globe, as we already know. So stop all the lies and idiotic cries. Your logic all fails, so stop spinning tales. It's never been flat, even children see that. Really, there must be some mistake. There is, they think the space station is fake. It's real, they say Antarctica is an ice wall. We're trapped, and you can't even access it at all. Penguin Army, they like to misquote scientists quite often to debunk things we know exist. They do, but all the facts don't line up with their grip. Well, duh. Like Earth's 15-degree per hour drift. Thanks, Bob. Because the Earth is a globe, as we already know. So stop all the lies and idiotic cries. Your logic all fails, so stop spinning tales. It's never been flat, even children see that. But still, for some unknown